Hi guys, so I'm going to go over with you how to do your test corrections for floor hockey. So don't mind the hot mess. Did my workout. But anyway, let's go to that. Let's take a look really quick. So the easiest way to do this is when you're in your Google Classroom, 6th, 7th, or 8th, you click on classwork, click up here for view your work. When you go down, you should be able to find your floor hockey unit test because it's got all these little stars on it. And it says no work has been attached. That's okay. Click view details and then click on the Google form. You've already responded. I have released all of your scores. All you need to do is click view score right here. When you do that, it's going to tell you your score at the top. And then it's going to tell you which ones you got right, which ones you got wrong. So all of them are worth 2 points. If it says 2 out of 2, you're good to go. If it doesn't, you need to redo it again so that you can at least get 1 point for that. So I got carried away while I was taking my test, so I tried to get some wrong ones in here. Now this one does show you the correct answer, but that's okay. I want you guys to get it right. I want you guys to do well. I don't want test to be something that holds you guys back. So what you're going to do, attached to this is the floor hockey test corrections. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your name in here. And then you're going to put the date. So today is April 16th, 2020. And then you're going to put your section. Okay. Now down here, I'm going to start with the one that I got wrong. So I'm going to go back to my test. I got to keep both of them open. When a player uses a flicking motion to move the puck, I am going to highlight the answer, right click, copy, right click, paste. Okay. Now I'm going to put the answer in. So the answer for this one, when I go back, that was supposed to be wrist shot. Okay, then I go back to my test and I find the next one that I got wrong. Okay, the ball never leaves the blade with this dribble. So here's our trick again, and I highlight, I right click with my mouse, and then I click copy. Then I go back here, I right click with my mouse, click paste. And the correct answer for this one was drag. Now, the cursor right here is red. I want that to be black for my answer, okay? I'll write drag. Go down to the next one. All I do is copy and paste. If you guys want a quicker way to do that, let's find another one that I did wrong. Or let's not. Okay. If you want a quicker way to do that, you can hit the control button, the CTRL on your keyboard, and C at the same time. It'll copy it, and then I come back to my page and then I click right there. Now this one, because I have not released this yet, it will have a submit button in the top because this is an assignment. So then you're going to click that submit button for it. Okay. If you have any questions, reach out. But if you did not watch this video, then you're going to have a lot of questions. This should have been made pretty simple. I'm here to help you guys get them done as quickly as you can so that I can up your grades from your test. If you didn't do the test, then you need to do the test. And that'll be your final grade for that unit. All right, guys, good luck. It won't stop, and that's okay. That's okay. I don't know what happened.